Hey, 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 welcome to day 12 of our Get Up and Go Challenge. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Oh, let's get physical today. We are now going through the infamous SOAP framework, focusing on the O in the framework. The O in the framework, of course, stands for options, infinite possibilities. Anything is possible. One of the things that we as humans do to limit ourselves is think that we have to do either A or B, black or white, yes or no, nothing in between. And there's always lots of different possibilities and lots of different options. We just have to open up our imaginations and our minds and let ourselves see them so that we could possibly experience them. So what are we going to do today? What's our tool today? Yesterday we talked about our story, our situation. We described where we are right now and where we want to be. Right now, I would say, and I'm going to go through this next step and through the SOAP framework with respect to this aspect of my health and my wellness and my physical well-being, because there's too many things to consider, right? I want to break it down into smaller pieces, keep it simple, so I can actually do some actionable things to move myself from where I am to where I want to go. So our tool today is brainstorming. Yep, most of us have heard of brainstorming, but do you actually do it? Have you actually used it as a tool in your life? There's all different types of brainstorming tools. If you type brainstorming in to the private group page, you'll get all kinds of previous information, and there's one in there that talks about a bunch of different types of brainstorming, but we're not going to get into that much detail today. We're going to keep it simple. Normally when I say brainstorm, you sit down with a piece of paper or a notebook or a pad of paper or a whiteboard or a chalkboard or whatever works for you, and I like to write the problem on the top of the page. So I'm going to say where I am right now is I don't have enough energy. I'm falling asleep. I'm wanting to nap all the time. I'm eating foods that I shouldn't eat to give me quick bursts of energy, aka sugar and sweets and things. And I'm finding then that I'm having that huge crash afterwards, so I feel like I'm just on this vicious roller coaster ride of up and down energy. And I want to quit that and just have a higher level of steady or increasing energy throughout my day so that I can do the things that I want to do. So I can work on all the different areas and aspects of my life that I want to work on. So I can work on my relationships with my new granddaughter. So I can work on my business. So I can work on projects and people that I'm doing different projects with right now and always. I want to have enough energy to do all the things that I want to do. So how am I going to get those? I'm going to brainstorm a list today of at least 10 things, 10 different things. And I actually just did this so I could show you 10 things that I could possibly do to get more energy. The thing about brainstorming is you go for the most outlandish, outrageous, craziest ideas of things that you would probably never do. But then as you go back later, not today, but later, as in AKA tomorrow, and you analyze and you look at the things on that list and you say, okay, well, this doesn't make sense. I'm obviously not going to hire a personal trainer. It's COVID, and have a personal trainer come to my house and work with me on getting more energy or doing moves and exercises and things that could give me more energy. But maybe I could watch a personal trainer online. Maybe I could find a personal trainer online that I could work with. I got on here spa week or vacation. Well, it's COVID-19, and I'm actually going on a trip in a couple of weeks, so I'm not going to now, this week, tomorrow, go on a spa week or a vacation. But maybe while I'm on my trip, I will go see an acupuncturist or a natural doctor, a doctor of natural medicine or something, because I know where I'm going, they have an awesome one, and I would like to go see her. What else did I put on here? Hydrate, more water, supplements, coffee, see a doctor. And coffee I put question mark because I have been drinking a lot of coffee lately, probably more than I should and more than I need to. And I think I want to switch that around. And see, I'm already analyzing my list. See a doctor, online education, special diet like keto or something. I'll talk about that in a minute. I'll talk about that tomorrow in alternative or in actions. 9, better fresh nutrition, more fresh nutrition. I need to find better sources of food supplies and fresh, especially fresh produce. Here in Wisconsin in the winter, our produce is absolutely positively dismal. Although my sister did go to the fruit truck a week ago and got me a flat of strawberries that were absolutely delicious. They obviously drive them up from the south to us poor people in Wisconsin so we can have a little bit of good produce. And then daily outdoor exercise and daily indoor exercise. That was just a quick brainstorm list of some things. And I'm going to work on that throughout the day, and I'll keep adding to it as I come about things or I think of things that I could do or should do that would give me more energy. And then our action item today is to pick and share 3 things. I picked 3 on purpose, and again, you'll find out tomorrow why I say share 3. Even if you don't share it in the comments below, please write it down somewhere so that you've got it easily accessible tomorrow, because we're going to do something with at least those 3 things, maybe more. If you're brave, you can use all 10, or I say go for a list of 100. Try throughout the day to get a list of 100 possible things that you could do, possible options that you could do to get you from where you are to where you want to go. Now, since I'm working on physical, I'll think about physical things I could do. Maybe I could start doing, every time I get a cup of coffee, deep knee bends while I wait for the microwave or I wait for the Keurig to make me a cup of coffee. Will I get very many done? No, but if I go to the microwave or the coffee pot 5 times today and I do 25 every time, that makes a difference, right? So I'm looking for things like that to add to my brainstorm list. That is our tool today. The SOAP framework. Situation, story is our S. Where am I now? Where do I want to be? We use the journalistic framework. O, let's get physical by looking at all the possible options and possibilities, the infinite possibilities that we can do to get from where we are to where we want to be. That's it. Any questions? Hit me up in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow. Get up. Go do this right now. Start doing it. Have an awesome day.